Today we want to show you how to use WebVR in sales or marketing. We already showed you how to leverage in the manufacturing industry augmented reality, mixed reality or virtual reality. Now imagine you have a web meeting with a potential customer. WebVR enables you in a shared screen session to present your portfolio in 3D. After the meeting, just send the URL to your attendees and they can walk through the factory or the exhibition hall by themselves. So, how would a virtual visit look like? What are the options? Remember, all you need to run the application is a PC or a laptop. You can explore a prototype on our Sandes website. First, open a web browser and go to sandes.com. Go to Solutions, WebVR. We listed the controls to navigate through the virtual factory. Click on the link at the bottom of the page to start the application. We will now walk you through the prototype.
Wait for the page to load. WebVR requires a good graphic card. For this reason, WebVR is currently only supported on laptops and PCs. Now let me show you the basic interactions. You can maximize the window by clicking on the icon in the bottom right corner. To interact in this virtual environment, use the mouse and keyboard. This is how you move around. Click the left mouse button to move forward. Click the right mouse button to move backwards. The cursor indicates the direction and the distance you cover with every click. Scroll up or down using the wheel on your mouse to increase or decrease that distance. To cover greater distances with each click, just hold the control key while scrolling the mouse wheel. To review details on the machines, move carefully little by holding the Shift key. If you are outside the factory building, hold down the right mouse button to return the start position within the factory. We have also built some help functions. Press the H key to open the help panel. Press the E key to show additional control options. While walking through the factory, you can check so-called points of interest. Just hover with your cursor over the target and click the left mouse button to display hidden information. This is just a small example of what could be a great interactive industrial exhibition hall, available to your sales team and your potential customers around the world. Our virtual factory starter kit will allow you to create VR and WebVR experiences from a single application. Don't hesitate to contact us.